So my key didn't work, so I had to come back down and the desk fixed that for me. But while Tim was waiting, because he wouldn't let me come by myself, he noticed that there's a lovely house phone here. He picked it up, and sure enough, it even has a dial tone. Isn't that fun? We've arrived at the new hotel. It's definitely a downgrade. This is wedding season here in Rajkot, and so many people, weddings are very big. I should tell you, weddings are very big in India, or at least in northern India, in Gujarat state. So the hotels are very full because it's wedding season. They've got family and friends and whatever staying here, so it's hard to find something available. But I'm thankful that this is only one night. But here's a quick tour of the Comfort Inn. The bathroom, it's got a shower. Oh, I do have a towel up there. The young lady who let me in brought me a little hand towel, and I thought, okay, that's all I have. But no, in fact, there is a bath towel. So we'll be good for the morning. Obviously, the toilet, interestingly, yes, there's another phone. I don't know if I showed you that before, but I think every hotel we've stayed in had a phone in the bathroom. I thought she brought, oh yeah, a spare roll of toilet paper in case I need it. And this looks like our Comfort Inn symbol, doesn't it? Am I just thinking wrong? But this is it. Here's the closet. Whoops. There we go. Let's focus on something. All right. Here's the closet. I probably won't put anything in there. Here's my carry-on. She did bring me some little slippers. That was nice. I won't be using them. There is a little Samsung TV. Not as big as the others, but really not bothered about that. Haven't looked at the TV yet, have not had time. There are 2 beds. You can tell from my suitcases on them that they're not that big, but that's okay. I'm just here by myself. It's not an issue. One of the things I am kind of disappointed about is that somewhere along the way my luggage has gotten thrown around and the strap has broken. Right in here, the metal is twisted and broken, and so it won't hold on anymore. So I'll be buying a new suitcase when I get home, but this one didn't make the overseas trip really well either. It's gotten all scuffed here and messy, kind of tatty on the corners, so I think I will just be buying new luggage before I take another trip. Handle is coming apart. That has nothing to do with the hotel. It's just like everything is falling apart. So I'd like to give you a view outside the window, but the window is so filthy that it's not going to be a good view. It is a street view, and we are on the 2nd floor this time, so not so far away from the traffic noise. The shops are here, but these appear to be apartments up above them, and there's some laundry hanging out and somebody brushing her teeth. But yeah, it's alright. It's only one night. Tomorrow morning early we are traveling north and looking forward to a little nicer hotel. There is a little work desk here, and of course the requisite cups and water boiler, and this is the refrigerator. So it has all the stuff, but I was noticing this morning that none of the hotels we've been in so far, this is our 3rd, none of them have had a microwave. Apparently you don't heat things here. You just go out and buy it. That makes sense. Street food's pretty cheap. Well, and look at this little placard that they've put up. See if I can focus on the corner here. Well, this says, it's a Comfort in Legacy. If you have a legacy thing, doesn't that mean it's like old? I'm thinking so in this case. This is how it used to be. Oh, they have Tetley tea. Green tea. Oh, and original tea. Wow. That's the first time I've seen a brand that I recognize. And I've got 2 remote controls. I'm not sure what that's about. Not going to need them, no problem. We're outside the office and there are a couple of really fancy carriages out here. I'm trying not to go out on the road because I don't want to get run over. But apparently they use these for weddings, and we have seen a couple. I'm not sure that we saw in these particular carriages, but we've seen a horse-drawn carriage with a newly married couple and all sorts of people walking down the road. We're really looking forward to the wedding for our employee tomorrow. The little auto rickshaws are everywhere. I'm sorry it's so loud. I'm on the street and I didn't pick up my microphone. But this one, they've converted into some sort of a food truck. Of course we can't read it, so not really sure what they're selling, and it's probably spicy, so it is what it is, but it just seemed like a really fun idea.
I got it.
Thank you. Can you tell what he's selling? Oh, ice cream. He's selling ice cream. How fun is that? There's another one selling something different. I have no idea what that is. We're in the street, so not hanging around. Oh, street vendors? Yeah, we're not up for street vendor food yet. We've been told to watch out. We have to watch it being cooked, because our stomachs aren't quite up for this. But here's the Comfort Inn.